during that celebration that the former special administrator of Loto City Council is none other. Remains in Lotoka.
Turana tui bitongo, turana tui bunda, turana taltala, turana toke vindilo. The Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment, the Honourable Ministers, CEO and staff of the Lotoka City Council, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, and school children. Good afternoon again. Bulavinaka, good afternoon and welcome to the official opening of the new Churchill Park. Obeba Vinaka na uno turanga sukada dangin na bikinta bagi turanga bonwa kinta bagi chikine la matentu na sa boile na binanomi na boile na bilangiti na boile na bipaturanga taki. Churchill Park has always been the pride of Lotoka. But it is now truly a park for a people and a city on the move. But first I would like to thank the people and the Vunua of Vitongo for the traditional ceremony. The Sugar City is getting bigger and bolder every day and much sweeter too. With this modern park and of course the Tapu City that will be opening soon. This project is an example of what we can accomplish when local government, national government, and the private sector are committed to make a city complete. When we all agree that there is a need to be met. If we work together, we can solve problems, build for the future, and provide the infrastructure and amenities that make a city a healthy community. This project cost $5.5 million. Government contributed around $2.8 million and the Lotoka City Council funded the rest. And then Tapu's group came in to build the corporate booths, the main entry gateway and the car parks. So it was truly a team effort. It is government's responsibility to be the guiding hand in this, to make sure that as many Fijians as possible are served by government programs and that we build and upgrade infrastructure and establish new facilities around the country. People in all parts of the country have needs and I have committed to make sure that no part of the country is neglected. Excuse me. Every community faces different challenges and has different priorities and we can't do everything at once. But we work closely with local communities and we make steady progress. A week ago I was in the Northern Division to open new projects like the hydro station at Somsomo, the extension of school facilities at Ruluvalili Secondary School, and the opening of water projects in several communities. And today I'm proud to be here in Lotoka City. This is Fiji's second city and a major manufacturing and business hub. Lotoka is an important driver of Fiji's economic growth. It is growing along with the rest of the Western Division, not just in size, but in sophistication and complexity. Government has responded by upgrading and expanding government services and facilities here and throughout the Western Division. The courts, law enforcement, health facilities, roads, schools, and recreational facilities. Recently, we have been installing street lights for populated rural and commercial areas along the Queen's Road from Singatoka to Mba to make these areas safer and more secure at night. And we intend to extend this service to other rural areas in Vitilevu and Vunolevu. The Churchill Park we will enjoy today and in the future is evident that government's ambition for Lautoka and the Western Division is as big as their own. The Western Division deserves the kinds of amenities and infrastructure that will support the athletes who live here and work hard every day to improve themselves. Now you don't have to go all the way to the National Stadium in Suva to run on synthetic tracks because you have them here. These are all-weather synthetic tracks that meet the standards of the International Amateur Athletic Federation. So when our Western Division athletes compete in big games, they will compete on the same surfaces they've been training on. There will be and should be no surprises. Indeed, the Coca-Cola Games no longer have to be held in Suva. They can be held in the West, right here in Churchill Park. It also makes Fiji a more attractive venue for regional competition. And ladies and gentlemen, that will also extend to swimming competition as well, because at the end of April, we will begin the construction of a modern Olympic-sized swimming complex in Lautoka. For competitions, a warm-up pool and a children's pool. This construction will start at the end of April. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure the young people here today are happy to know that the days of training and running on soggy tracks and field are now over, and I cannot think of any reason why we won't set and see new records set in your secondary schools inter-zone meet this weekend. We are an athletic people. We love sport and games, and we embrace the hard work we must do to be great athletes. Government can make that work easier, but we can remove the obstacles our athletes face. All we have to do is provide a proper place to train and compete. They will do the rest. I thank you all for turning up in numbers for the opening of these beautiful synthetic tracks. I understand that all Lautoka secondary schools are eagerly waiting for the inter-zone athletics competition, which will take place right here. I can't think of a better way to inaugurate these tracks because they are here for you. Please enjoy yourselves and do your very best. God bless you all.